Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. This side Veronica. So friends, today we are going to do Let's Shave. So can you see this beautiful Let's Shave EVR products which I recently bought from Amazon. So let me show you this whipped shave cream and this amazing body razor. So this razor is super compact, super travel friendly. The grip of this razor is amazing, and the best part, it will gonna make your skin super moisturized in just one swipe, and I'm going to give you a demo about it. So this razor comes with a plastic cap. Before using this razor, you have to remove it and then just use it on your hands, on your legs, all over your body. The best part, this razor is suitable for all skin type. My skin is a sensitive skin, so I am using it like this. Haven't done anything harsh on my skin, so I just love this. That's why I'm shooting this video for you guys. The main part is this compact case is super travel friendly. So now let me show you this Let's Shave EVR whipped shaving cream. It has aloe vera, it has that orange peel extract. The main thing, it has shea butter. Shea butter is amazing for your skin, and it has like so many goodness in it. It has argan oil, it has strawberry smell. Oh my god, I just love its strawberry smell. No parabens, no sulfate, no harsh chemicals. So this is super good for your skin. So beauties, now let me give you a demo. Can you see here on my hand? They are so rough and bumpy. So now I'm going to remove it with my new compact EVR Let's Shave EVR razor. So firstly, here I'm going to use this EVR whipped cream, going to apply it on my hand, and after that I'm going to use razor. The best thing is beauties, you need a very little amount of this whipped cream. It makes a good foam, and you have to just massage it, apply it on your hand as I'm doing here. Taking my razor, removing it cap, and beauties, you will see in just one swipe, ta-da, it removed my hair. And that is the best part of this razor. It removes, like, it glides in on your skin. It makes your skin super soft, super moisturized. So you can see. And not only that, beauties, it also removes that dead cells, and it moisturizes your skin. It also removes your tan also. So can you see? Can you spot the difference? This hand is still bumpy and rough, and this hand, in just one or two swipes, it removed my all hair and made my skin very soft. Now I'm taking this wet towel, removing all the extras from my hand. See that shine on my skin. That's why I just love this razor. This avocado bars, that 3 blades, this will gonna remove your hair within, and it will gonna make your skin very soft and shiny. So friends, obviously after some time you have to change the blade. For that, can you see, these are detachable blades. You can buy the new one, you can buy the new set of only blades. You don't need to buy the whole razor body or whole razor that compact kit. Just change the blade. You can buy it from Amazon. It is available. Let's Shave EVR blades. So you can just buy that one and you can change it with the same body. So that's why these are like super compatible and travel friendly. So beauties, I'm going to share the link of these two products in my description box. Just don't go with that regular razors. They are very harsh for your skin. They made your hair very thick, but this razor will gonna make your hair very soft and smooth, gonna moisturize your skin very deeply, and it will gonna remove your hair within. So I'm going to share the link. Just go give it a try. These two products are really amazing. Please subscribe my channel. Any recommendation, just comment it. See you in my next video. Bye.